The next weapon system or device is the Great Balls of Fire. They are drone technology, can be fired like a projectile weapon that serve as one of the primary weapon systems of the Anunnaki. These balls range in size based on the model. When active, the balls emit an energy field capable of burning through nearly all forms of conventional matter, as well as allowing it to punch through energy shielding with ease. The balls are usually deployed using a control chair which can command thousands of them at once. The balls are capable of self-guidance, but the chair also allows for direct control. When attacking in a large group, the balls use swarming tactics to maximize damage, surrounding and assaulting a target from all directions. Any ball still active after the attack has been completed will return to storage for later use. These balls also have a chain weapon wrapped around the center, which can be used like a whip, setting fire to anything it touches. These are the Great Balls of Fire that will be used when the time comes to destroy the wicked. Great Balls of Fire is also a 1957 popular song recorded by American rock and roll musician Jerry Lee Lewis on Sun Records and featured in the 1957 movie Jamboree. Check that out, Sun Records, and you haven't put it together yet.
The whole entire hills are on fire. Holy shit.
Oh my god, what the fuck is happening? What is that?